Hi, this is Chris, and I want to take a moment to explain what's needed to do the basics of a bocce ball court. And this is just the work for installing the surface materials, not the complete construction of a court. But many people want to renovate their courts after the winter time. A lot of rain, a lot of snow, a lot of mess. Get it ready for the spring and summer. Go out and enjoy yourselves. So we provide all these tools for you at no charge when you buy our materials. Have a lawn roller, have a large gravel scoop, a manure scoop that's good for when you're just doing oyster shell, oyster flour, square point shovel, round point shovel, and then 44-inch wide landscape rakes. And the push broom is always great for sweeping out the oyster shell flour. A hardback rake, a large level. It's really best to have a 7 to 8 foot construction level for making a screed with. And heck, we can even help make your screed. This one had to be 12 feet because the court was 10 feet. And wheelbarrows. You know, whenever you need to get decomposed granite, crushed rock materials from us, all the tools are available at no charge. Hand tamper, and of course the sod roller. These are the minimum tools you need to refurbish a bocce ball court. And instead of chasing them all down and spending a lot of money or going through the rental equipment process, they'll just get dropped off with your materials, and then you let us know when you're done. And as long as you give it back in good shape, there's no issues. What should you expect for manpower? It really takes 3 people to do a court properly. So you should figure you need 3 to 4 people, with at least one person having really good do-it-yourself experience to refurbish a court. This court we've been renovating with a new surface and getting ready for the final leveling out of it and remodeling the horseshoe pit at the same time.